The following video will demonstrate the steps for doffing or removing of personal protective equipment after completing your shift of duty in a COVID unit. You are in a designated doffing area. The doffing room should have a chair, biomedical waste bin, and automatic hand rub dispenser. First, engage the infection control nurse to instruct the doffing process and check for tear and exposed body parts in PPE. Now disinfect the outer gloves using an alcohol-based hand rub. Next, sit on the dirty chair. Remove the shoe covers by grasping the outer surface. Make sure your legs are apart and not touching each other. Disinfect the outer gloves. Now remove the outer gloves. Do this by holding your wrist facing your thumb upward towards the ceiling. Pinch the gloves, lift at wrist, roll it down until it is completely off palm of the hand. Then slide your finger down inside the other hand and pull the gloves completely off your hands. Give special attention that you should not contaminate or tear the inner gloves. Do not snap the gloves, which may cause spray or aerosol production. Inspect both sides of inner gloves. Next, perform hand hygiene with alcohol-based hand rub. Now we will remove the hood. To do this, grasp the hood and straps of breather mask from outside with both hands. Pull it over and away from the body and discard. Disinfect the inner gloves. Next, remove the gown. First, release the tie, grasp at hip level and pull the gown down and away from the body. Once the gown is off your shoulder, pull one arm at a time from the sleeves of the gown. Arms are bunched at your wrists. Then roll exposed side of gown inward until it is tight and discard. Disinfect the inner gloves. Remove, making sure not to contaminate your hands. The process of removing the inner gloves is similar to outer gloves. Dispose the inner gloves. Perform hand hygiene with alcohol-based hand rub. Now put on a fresh pair of gloves. Now you are going to remove the N95 respirator. It is important that you do not touch the front of a respirator. First tilt your head forward and use two hands to grab the bottom strip, then pull the sides and over your head. Then use both hands to grab the upper strap, pull the sides and over your head. It is important not to touch in front of the respirator and dispose it. Perform hand hygiene with alcohol-based hand rub. Remove your gloves. And perform hand hygiene. Turn around and let the infection control nurse inspect your scrubs for any tear or contamination. Before shower, change into a fresh pair of footwear and immerse the used pair into 1% sodium hypochlorite solution. Now the healthcare worker will take head-to-toe shower and put on new scrubs before leaving the COVID unit.
इन मिनट के लिए आप सभी को
So thank you very much, viewers. We'll be back tomorrow at 2 o'clock from 2 to 3:30, and whatever pending questions we'll try to cover tomorrow in the presentation. Thank you very much. Have a good day.